Hey everybody, this is Tim with Owl Eyes Wilderness Survival. This video is part 2 of our acorn processing series, in which we show you how to rinse and how to dry to get ready to store our acorns, or crack them if we want to use them right away. If you want in-person training, make sure you check out our public classes. So what I like to do before I dry my acorns is I actually like to clean them off. I get a basket, and I like baskets that have like a good amount of space in between all the weavers and stuff. This just allows things to get out. So what I usually do is, you could do this just dry, but I shake them. That might be good enough, but I actually like to give them a rinse in a stream or even in the kitchen sink just to make sure that they're all clean. So after I have my acorns washed off, what I like to do is just run a little cloth, even if it's like a dish towel or whatever, just in there just to make sure that they all get dried off, just a preliminary drying. Nothing too crazy, just to get the big water droplets off. Then after that, what I do is I spread them across whatever I have. You know, if you want to go out and get rabbit wire and make kind of grates for the acorns, that would probably be the best. But for me, foraging is about saving money, about free food. So I just kind of use what I have. And in that case, baking sheets work. Even Tupperware container lids can work. But I really like just whatever I have on hand. Even a climbing rope or whatever in a circle on your living room floor would be good enough. If you have a wood stove, that can help dry them out. If you have a fan, that can help dry them out. Central air, things like that. Anywhere there's airflow. If you want to dry them out in the sun, you can. Just be very careful of the squirrels and make sure you take them in at night. But there's that, and make sure that they're across in a single layer. I can add more in here, but what I'm going to do is, probably leave them there for weeks, really, in my house. My cats go crazy over them, so they always kick the acorns around, so I have to gather those. But what I do every day is I just come and I roll them around just to make sure different surfaces are exposed to air. And I also look for weevil larvae, because those are going to come out of your acorns. And then just make sure that you pick the ones with the holes, the exit holes in there, just to get the bad acorns out of there so you actually know what you have. So what I do is every day check my acorns, because you're going to get weevil larvae that crawl out of them. And usually what I do is I just grab these and just toss them outside. But that also means that you have some acorns that are going to have holes in them. So make sure you get rid of those as well. And make sure that you check out part 3, where you learn what to do with the dried acorn.